kan, biar nggak pucat banget gitu loh. Masa kalau lagi pas digecut, jadi biar gitu guys, biar berasa gitu loh. Tuan muda udah diginiin belum? Dikipasin dulu tuan muda. Yang lain ditunggu gacorannya. Aduh Bang Joni
Jonathan, check the couch. I did. Happen.
nggak dikerok lagi Tan.
Where's Will?
Aku nggak mau dikerok, aku mau digaruk.
Jonathan, you have to make sure he's up.
Mom, I'm making breakfast.
I told you this 1,000 times. Will, come on, honey. It's time to get up. He came home last night, right?
He's not in his room?
Did he come home or not?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I got home late. I was working.
You're working?
Eric asked if I could cover. I said, yeah, I just thought we could use the extra cash.
Jonathan, we've talked about this.
No way.
You can't take shifts when I'm
Mom,
working.
it's not a big deal. Look, he was at the Wheelers all day. I'm sure he just stayed over.
I can talk with you sometimes. You're disgusting. Hello? Hi, Karen.
Tadi dulu guys, kipasin dulu guys.
Hi. Quiet. Is that Will I heard back there?
Will, no, it's just Mike.
Oh, Will didn't spend the night?
No, he left here a little bit after 8.
Why, he's not home? You know what? I think he just left early for school. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye. That's weird.
That's weird.
I'm telling you, his mom's right. Probably just went to class early again.
Yeah, he's always been on first. He's gonna give him another pop quiz.
Step right up, ladies and gentlemen.
Gak boleh dari bawah guys, katanya ngecrot, takut ngecrot. Jadi dari atas aja. Melihat pemandangan dari atas saja.
Doll face.
Kan better kan? Jadi aku nggak pucet banget gitu maksudnya.
It's called cleidocranial dysplasia.
I told you a million times. Do the honors.
Cucu nonton apa cucu?
It hits me every time.
Assholes.
I think it's kind of cool.
Enak mak, yo digenjot. Culik aku dong tante, nggak mau mahal kamu. Malam Jumat Jos. Masa sih? Aku nggak berasa kemarin Jumat. Biasa aja kayak malam-malam yang kayak kemarin-kemarin aja sama menurut aku. Kamu kok tahu aja sih, heran? Hah? Emang ada siapa? Emangnya kamu punya pacar malam Jumat? Kalau punya pacar boleh malam Jumatan. Kalau nggak punya pacar mah diam aja di rumah nonton TV tuh kayak aku nih. Tinggal genjot.
You were saying?
I have to go. I really like. Seriously, I have to go.
Let's do something tonight, yeah?
I can't. I have to study for Kaminsky's test.
Well, what's your GPA again? 3.9?
Kaminsky's tests are impossible.
Well, then just...
WhatsApp pos. Tante udah punya anak berapa? Kebetulan aku udah punya anak 5 ya.
Are you crazy?
Hai Muhammad. Halo Muhammad. Apa kabar Muhammad?
You are crazy.
Wait. Just forget about that. We can just...
Iket rambutnya Tan. Lama-lama HP gua banting juga nih. Jangan dong. Jangan dong, nanti
I
pecah.
have to
Nanti nggak ada yang
study.
beliin aku HP kalau dibanting-banting. Kamu aja mau dibanting.
You're an idiot.
Tante ulang mana, berteman dong, berat. Assalamualaikum. Aduh, ada Mang Bazil, hahaha. Anak 5 masih cantik bun. Maklum lah, underdealnya kenceng say. Underdealnya kenceng say. Salam buat Maman Joni Egi Putra.
Oh, hey, morning, Flo.
Fokus ke
Morning,
cucu.
everybody. Hey, Chief. Damn, you look like hell, Chief. Oh, yeah? Yeah. I look better than your wife when I left her.
Lama-lama gue angetin juga nih HP.
Whatever it is you deem so necessary on Monday morning, Joe Larson called.
Tante munduran kemana guys? Gak kuat ya deket-deket ya. Takut keluar lagi ya?
Joyce Byers can't find her son this morning.
Hah? Takut keluar lagi? Ya dikeluarin dong, masa iya gak dikeluarin malam Jumat? Katanya malam Jumat, ayo dikeluarin.
Chief, she's
Coffee and contemplation. Flo.
Yang asli apa badaknya? Apa sih?
I have been
Hai
waiting.
Sora, how are you?
Hour.
Abis ini kita tidur-tiduran
I'm
yuk.
going out of my mind.
Look,
Lihat
boy, his age,
ketek
he's
asli
probably
apa
just playing hooks.
bukan?
No, not my will. He's not like that. He wouldn't do that.
You never know. My mom thought
Wow,
I was
wow,
a
wow.
baby after that. She's screwing this girl.
Udah 2 kali dan bikin
Look,
lagi
he's
dong.
not like you, Hopper.
Sampai 4
He's not
kali.
like me. He's not like most. He has a couple of friends, but you know.
Pucat ya? Enggak kok, udah matanya udah bikin mata kok, udah mendingan kok. Tadi pucat banget, sekarang udah enggak tuh kan? Udah enggak kan?
Look, he's a sensitive kid. Lonnie used to say he was queer. Called him a.
Ya ampun bunda, ngakak. Boleh tak ku nikahi kamu? Tan sampai malam enggak? Enggak, aku tuh sampai ngecerot aja udah selesai terus ya udah bubar. Mantep.
He has nothing to do with this.
Iya udah cantik
He has
banget.
nothing to do with this. Trust me.
Joyce,
Tan
99
naikin
out of
turun.
100 times, kid goes
Putingnya
missing.
kelihatan.
Kid is with a parent or a relative.
Nggak ada puting, orang udah ditutupin. Kata siapa ada puting? Ini kan udah ditutupin guys. Culik aku dong.
Joyce, this is Hawkins. Okay, I don't know the worst thing that's ever happened here in the 4 years I've been
Nonton
here.
film apa
The worst
teh?
thing
Nonton
is when
film
an
yang
owl
enak-enak kan
attacked
malam
one of the
Jumat
lesbians
guys.
because he thought they were girls.
Okay, fine. I will call Lonnie. He will talk to me before he talks to
Okay.
a cop.
Tan ajak aku nikah, oga ah mahal. Eko lu, how are you? Yuk bantuin supportnya guys, yang lain guys. Dibantuin supportnya, dibantuin ngecot tuh. Udah kangen kah tante? Ih, kangen gak ya? Ntar dulu gue pikir-pikir dulu. Karena ini malam Jumat, jadi akan aku keluarkan kangen-kangen aku ya. Bang Hendra lagi di mana? Malam Bang Iwan, gratisan lumayan. Kata siapa? Kayak kuat aja. Aku kuat kok. Kuat tuh bawa gunung aja aku kuat. Apalagi bawa kamu. Aku aja kuat bawa gunung 3 ya kan? Bang Hendra, salam dari Bali. Oke deh. Malam juga. Berapa kakak? Yang penting kamu support, bantuin aku support. Terus yang banyak aja pokoknya ya. Berapa ntarnya kalian langsung follow aja Instagram aku, oke? Buatan malam Jumat, buatan malam Jumat. Di Jakarta bukan? Enggak lah, aku di rumah guys. Salam dari Madura, jauh sekali kamu. Coba Saud menyaut, udah nyampe mana? Udah sampai mana neneknya? Asli mana Tan? Asli Siliwangi. 19 cm. Panjang nggak? Mana gue tahu, emang gue tukang ngukur. Coba kamu ukur. Panjang nggak? Gede nggak? Semangat cantik, salam dari Papua. Wow, sampai pusar, nggak usah pakai bagi. Apa sih nggak pakai? Nggak usah pakai BH. Itu apaan tuh?
That's where it came from. Yes. And the girl, she can't have gone far.
Aku belum lihat nih, aku mau mundurin deh. Ceritanya gimana tadi nih? Kamu sih ngajak ngobrol, jadinya aku nggak lihat nih. Tante macam kayak abis ngewe. Tante paling suka gaya apa? Enaknya gaya apa ya? Kalau malam Jumat ada gaya khusus soalnya guys. Rahasia dong, nanti aku sebarin kalau udah podcast ya. Hai Imam, hai Tuan Muda. Lagi lepas BH tante, nggak pakai G-string. Serius santan, beneran lepas BH itu tombolnya yang tekan kempes nggak? Nggak tahu deh, aku coba pencet ya. Kempes nggak ya? Cerot, keluarnya malah cerot, malah ngecerot guys, bukannya kempes. Iya, dia malah ngecrot guys, bukannya kempes malah ngecrot. Beruntungnya yang punya ini mah tante hamil ya. Hamilnya di atas. Hamilnya di atas. Tante udah punya suami belum? Gak tahu deh. Salken dari Pati kakak. Tete kok kelihatan apa sih? Udah lewat. Lepas BH, lepas kolor, lepas BH, lepas kolor. Halo Imam. Salam kenal dari Banjarmasin. Jangan lupa follow Instagram aku.
That's where it came from. Yes. And the girl,